Welcome back everybody to the Sprinkler channel. Today we're going to talk about just one thing about the Rainbird 5000 that we haven't talked about in any of the previous videos about the Rainbird 5000. We've gotten a lot of comments asking this question, so I just wanted to go over it since it is important to understand. So with the Rainbird 5000s, when you're adjusting the amount of rotation that the head can do, you have to understand that it's fixed on the left. And so then when you're adjusting the arc with this adjustment right here on the bottom, the plus or minus, that's going to be just changing the right amount, the right side of that rotation. And then the question is, well, what if I screw on the head and the left doesn't line up to where I need to? How do I keep the head screwed on tight while, having that left fixed position where I need it? And so it's actually something really cool engineering that Rainbird has done with the Rainbird 5000. It's called the slip clutch. And basically what it is, so right now, as you can see, it's spraying out right here where the triangle's at, and it rotates. So I think, let's see, this one's right now adjusted to 90 degrees. So it starts on the left right there, and then it rotates about 90 degrees to that position up there. So say it's right here, right? It's starting on the left there, but really we need it to start over on this side, say that's where our, concrete or sidewalk is, or edge of the flower beds. So it's as simple as this. All you have to do is grab the top of the head and just rotate it back to where that triangle or that point part where the nozzle's at is facing the direction that you want. Now, it's really important to understand too that when you go back and it starts doing that, it's also it's going to change up where it ends on the right. So you'll need to continue to make those adjustments like we talked about in another video with the plus or minus about rotating it. So that way, if you already adjusted it and you changed that left fixed position, you're still going to have the same 90 degrees, but maybe you need to open it up to adjust it to where the new right edge is. But that's how you adjust the Rainbird 5000's fixed left edge, where it always defaults to go back to. So that way, once you install the head, if it's not lined up just right with your left edge where you need it to start, then you can just rotate it easily right there without having to take it out of the body or anything like that. And then you can make all the adjustments from there. So I hope that's clear enough. Hope that I explained that well. And if you have any other questions relating to this, leave them in the comments below and I'll get to them. So thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.